Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Capital One credit card login step by step clearly. To restore your Capital One credit card login, begin by navigating to the Capital One website using your preferred web browser. On the home page, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. A new page will load, displaying the login fields. If you can't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link directly beneath the password entry box. You will be redirected to a page where you need to enter your username or password. Once you enter your username or card number, click the Continue button. Check your email or phone for a verification code, as Capital One will send a code for security purposes. Enter the verification code into the designated field on the website. After entering the code, click Continue to move forward. Next, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the required criteria for security. After setting your new password, confirm it by entering it again. Once your new password is set, click on Save Changes to finalize the process. Return to the login page to enter your username and the new password you just created. You should now be able to access your Capital One account successfully. If you encounter any issues, review your information for accuracy or consider clearing your browser cache. For further assistance, contact Capital One customer support for help with your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.